English can change your life, not in one day, not like magic, but slowly, step by step, English can open new doors for you.
That sounds big, Mia. I want to believe it, but can one language really change a person's life?
Yes, it can. But maybe not in the way people imagine. English does not suddenly make your life perfect. English gives you more tools, more chances, and more confidence.
I like that word, tools. So English is not only a school subject.
Exactly! English is a life tool. You can use it to talk to people, learn new things, travel, work, and express your ideas.
Express means to show what I think or feel, right?
Yes, when you express yourself, you say what is inside your mind. English gives you one more way to express yourself. Your ideas are already valuable. English does not create your ideas. English helps you share them with more people. First, English can give you more chances.
More chances, like better jobs?
Yes, work is one clear example. Maybe you want to work with international customers. Maybe you want to read an email from another country. Maybe you want to join a meeting, write a message, or introduce yourself.
But my English is still basic. Can basic English help?
Yes, basic English can help a lot. You can say, "Hello, nice to meet you." You can say, "I have a question." You can say, "Could you explain that again, please?"
Those sentences are simple, but useful.
Exactly! Useful English changes life faster than perfect English.
Useful English changes life faster than perfect English. I need to remember that.
Many learners wait for perfect English before they speak, but life does not wait. You can start with simple sentences.
So I do not need to be fluent before I use English.
Correct! Use English while you are learning English.
That sounds important. Use English while I am learning English.
Yes, let us practice 3 sentences. English gives me more chances. I can use simple English today. I do not need perfect English to start.
English gives me more chances. I can use simple English today. I do not need perfect English to start.
Excellent! The second reason is connection. English helps you connect with people.
Connect means to come together with someone or something?
Correct. When you speak English, you may talk to people from different countries. You may make friends online. You may understand a teacher, a customer, or a traveler.
Sometimes I see comments in English online, and I want to join the conversation, but I feel scared.
That feeling is normal. You can start small. You can write, "I agree." You can write, "Thank you for sharing." You can write, "This is helpful."
Those are easy. I agree. Thank you for sharing. This is helpful.
Yes, you do not need to write a long paragraph. One simple comment is already communication.
Communication means sharing ideas, feelings, or information.
Exactly. And communication is not about being perfect. It is about being understood.
Being understood. That is what I want. I want people to understand me.
We all want that. English can help you tell your story to more people.
My story, like who I am, what I do, and what I dream about.
Yes, for example, I am learning English because I want a better future. That is simple and honest.
I am learning English because I want to talk to more people.
Good.
I am learning English because I do not want fear to stop me.
That is a strong sentence, Leo.
I think many learners feel that. Fear stops them.
Yes, but practice can make fear smaller. And when fear becomes smaller, your life becomes bigger.
I love that. When fear becomes smaller, my life becomes bigger.
Let us repeat it. When fear becomes smaller, my life becomes bigger.
When fear becomes smaller, my life becomes bigger.
The third reason is confidence. English can help you feel more confident.
Confidence means I believe I can do something.
Yes, but confidence does not mean you are never nervous. Confidence means you are nervous, but you still try.
That makes confidence feel more possible. I always thought confident people never felt afraid.
Many confident people feel afraid. They just take action anyway.
Action means doing something.
Right! For an English learner, action can be very small. Repeat one sentence, ask one question, listen for 5 minutes, send one short message.
Small actions feel easier than big goals.
Exactly! Big goals can be heavy. Small actions are lighter, and small actions repeated every day can change your life.
Can you give me an example?
Of course! In the morning, listen to English for 5 minutes. During the day, repeat 3 useful sentences. At night, write 1 sentence about your day.
That sounds possible. Not easy every day, but possible.
Possible is important. If learning feels possible, you continue. Kindness helps you continue. Shame does not help.
Shame means the bad feeling that I am not good enough.
Yes! Many learners carry shame from school. Maybe someone laughed at their pronunciation. Maybe they got low scores. Maybe they were told they were not good at languages.
That can stay in your heart for a long time.
It can. But your past does not decide your future.
Your past does not decide your future.
Exactly! You can build a new story. You can say, I used to be afraid of English, but now I am learning slowly.
I used to be afraid of English, but now I am learning slowly.
Very natural. Used to mean something was true in the past. Maybe now it is changing.
I used to give up quickly, but now I take small steps.
Perfect! That is a powerful learner sentence. And that brings us to the 4th reason. English helps you learn more.
Learn more about English?
Not only English. You can learn about business, health, travel, technology, cooking, books, movies, and personal growth.
Personal growth means becoming a better version of myself.
Yes. English is like a key. A key opens a door. When you understand English, many doors of knowledge open.
Knowledge means information and understanding.
Correct. For example, you can watch a simple English video about habits. You can listen to a podcast about money. You can read a short article about travel.
So I do not learn English just to know English. I learn English to use English for my life.
Exactly. That sentence is very important.
I learn English to use English for my life.
Good. Let us practice. I use English to learn new things. English is a key to new knowledge. I can grow through English.
I use English to learn new things. English is a key to new knowledge. I can grow through English.
Excellent! The 5th reason is freedom. English can give you more freedom.
Freedom is a big word.
It is. Freedom means you can choose, move, and act with less fear. In travel, English can help you ask for directions, order food, check in at a hotel, and explain a problem.
I remember one time at the airport. I wanted to ask for help, but my mouth stopped working.
That happens. Your brain knows the sentence, but your mouth needs practice.
What should I practice first?
Simple phrases. Excuse me, could you help me? Where is the bathroom? I have a reservation. How much is this? Could you say that again, please? And it can help you feel more free in a new place.
I can ask questions. I can say what I need. I can understand people a little more.
Yes, that little more is important.
Why?
Because a little more understanding can make you feel safer. A little more speaking can make you feel braver. A little more practice can make tomorrow easier.
That is encouraging.
The 6th reason is that English can help you think in a new way.
Think in a new way?
Yes, when you learn another language, you see that one idea can be said in many ways. You become more flexible.
Flexible means I can change and adapt.
Exactly. For example, in English at work, instead of saying, "You are wrong," you can say, "I see it a little differently."
That sounds much softer.
Yes, tone matters. Tone means the feeling of your words.
So English is not only words, it is also tone.
Correct. Instead of saying, "Give me the file," you can say, "Could you send me the file when you have time?"
More polite, more natural.
Yes, this can improve your relationships.
Relationship means the connection between people.
Right. English can help you show respect. You can say, "Thank you for your help. I appreciate your time. I understand your point.
I appreciate your time. That sounds professional.
It is professional and simple. Appreciate means to be thankful for something.
I appreciate your help. I appreciate your patience.
Great examples. These small phrases can make people feel respected.
I never thought English could change how people feel when they talk to me.
It can. Clear and kind language is powerful.
Powerful means strong.
Yes, and simple English can be powerful too.
Mia, can we talk about learners who think they are too late?
Of course, you are not too late. You are here now, and this moment is enough to start.
I like that. You are here now, and this moment is enough to start.
English does not only change your life after you become fluent. It starts changing your life when you begin to believe, I can learn.
That is emotional, because sometimes the hardest part is believing I can learn.
Yes, some learners think, I am too old, I am too busy, my memory is bad, my pronunciation is bad, but these thoughts are not the full truth.
What is the full truth?
The full truth is this: you can improve with the right method, enough time, and kind practice.
Kind practice. I like that phrase.
Kind practice means you practice without attacking yourself. You correct yourself, but you do not hate yourself.
That is hard, but helpful.
Let us make it practical. When you make a mistake, do not say, my English is terrible. Say, I found something to improve.
I found something to improve.
When you forget a word, do not say, I am stupid. Say, I can explain it with simple words.
I can explain it with simple words.
When you feel slow, do not say, I will never speak well. Say, I am building my English step by step.
I am building my English step by step.
Excellent! This is how English changes your mind. You start speaking to yourself with more patience.
And that changes my life too.
Yes, because the way you speak to yourself affects how you live.
Mia, can we do a short practice for listeners?
Yes, listeners, repeat after us if you can. English can open new doors for me.
English can open new doors for me.
I can connect with more people.
I can connect with more people.
I can use simple English in real life.
I can use simple English in real life.
My mistakes mean I am trying.
My mistakes mean I am trying.
My English voice will grow.
My English voice will grow.
Wonderful! Now, Leo, answer this question with simple English. How can English help your life?
English can help me talk to more people. It can help me learn from videos and books. It can help me feel more confident at work and when I travel.
Beautiful answer. Clear, natural, and honest.
It was not perfect, but I said what I wanted to say.
That is the goal. Say what you want to say. Perfection can come later.
What is one small step I can take today?
Listen to English for 5 minutes. Repeat 5 useful sentences. Write 1 sentence about your day.
Can you give examples?
Sure. Today, I felt tired, but I still practiced English.
Today, I felt tired, but I still practiced English.
I learned 1 new phrase today.
I learned 1 new phrase today.
I am proud of 1 small step.
I am proud of 1 small step.
These are simple, but they build rhythm.
Rhythm means a steady pattern.
Correct! A rhythm keeps you moving. Not fast, but steady.
I think I understand today's lesson. English can change my life through small moments.
Yes. Maybe one day you understand a video without subtitles. Maybe you write an email by yourself. Maybe you speak to a stranger and they understand you.
And then I feel proud.
Proud means happy because you did something meaningful or difficult.
I want to feel proud of my English.
You can. Start with 1 sentence today.
1 sentence can become a conversation.
And 1 conversation can become a new chance.
1 chance can become a new direction.
Exactly! That is how change happens.
Not all at once, step by step.
Step by step. English can change your work, your travel, your learning, your confidence, and your connection with people.
But first, it changes how I see myself.
Yes, you start to see yourself as a learner, not a failure.
A learner, not a failure. That feels important.
It is very important. A learner keeps growing. A learner does not need to be perfect. A learner only needs to keep coming back.
I am coming back today.
Beautiful! Before we finish, let us repeat the heart of this episode.
I am ready.
English is not magic, but English is powerful.
English is not magic, but English is powerful.
English gives me more chances.
English gives me more chances.
English helps me connect with people.
English helps me connect with people.
English helps me tell my story.
English helps me tell my story.
English helps me build a bigger life.
English helps me build a bigger life.
Dear learner, your English may feel small today, but small does not mean useless. A small seed can become a tree. A small sentence can become a conversation. A small habit can become a new life.
If you feel slow, you are still moving. If you feel nervous, you can still speak. If you feel tired, you can still take one small step.
Exactly. English can change your life. Not because English is magic, but because learning English changes you.
It gives me courage.
It gives you choices.
It gives me a voice.
And it gives you hope.
Hope means I believe something good is possible.
Yes, and something good is possible for you.
Thank you, Mia. Today I feel like English is not a wall. It is a door.
And you do not need to open the whole door today. Just touch the handle. One word, one sentence, one small step at a time.